No?
Hi guys, welcome back to the Block of Dirtybug. Sorry that our intro is fucked up and that just does no longer work. We're going to make a new one soon. Dirtybug. There's a blank round. Alright. Hold on one second. Let's fix my... I always wondered something. Well, guns are very powerful. What would a whole box of shotgun shells do to a wooden door, a Furby, if y'all don't know what a Furby is, it's one of these little creepy son of bitches. They scared the hell out of me when I was little. And a little toy truck. Alright, now this is all just bonus bullshit. I don't know, I was bored. Yeah. I just wanted to see what a full box. There's 25 in an actual box. I took 6 out to load my shotgun. There's 5 in the tube, 1 in the chamber. So there's 19 shells left. If I don't know, my math's not right. 19 shells. I don't know. But what does a shotgun do to a wooden door from 10 yards away? Find out. I shot a metal door, but when I shot the metal door, it was with buckshot and slugs, and it destroyed it. So here's the bird shot. Dirtybug's up first. He's got 1 tube. I got no tube. Go. Wait, hold on. Go ahead. And hold on, wait a minute. Before y'all flip the fuck out. This is birdshot. Okay? There's a million trees down through there. And there's no living way in hell that somebody's gonna get hurt, killed, or injured in this video. Please don't do this at home. It's just for learning purposes only. Alright, I'm ready. Wait, we're gonna at least wait till the car goes by because we're somewhat professional. Not professional, wrong word. Somewhat so. 2 shots of lead clear, here we go. Just kidding. I'm at the foot. Hold on. Yeah. I'm at my ex's for snooker.
A little bit above the first snooker.
That's a little loud. Yeah, we're in a tunnel, well not a tunnel, but it's like ricocheting off my house and hit me in the eardrums. Go ahead, you got the whole mag, or whole clip. No, not clip, you got the whole tube. You got the next one. Yeah, check it. I don't know who that is.
I want to look at the camera the whole time.
Alright. Daggone, hold on. Where'd you hear that, Moonchild? Hang on, go ahead and burn all the shells out of it. No clue, bro. By the way, all them signatures are people that I used to party with. A lot of signatures and bullshit. He's going up close. Do it.
Don't hurt. I don't know what that is.
God.
Bad idea, don't do that.
Use it out.
Yeah.
need some blocking time. Hold on, check out the damage a little bit. Hold on, let me zoom out. Boom, boom. Moonchild.
Second one.
Third one. Fourth one. Check out the back. Not really big holes, just it looks like a rifle bullet just went right through it. The slugs just went through it.
Hit the rock.
Damn. That's probably what that noise was you heard. That's probably that. Alright. So now I'm up. I'm gonna go back a little bit further than
He didn't hit you.
I'm gonna go back a little bit further than Doodlebug and see what kind of pattern I got. I'm about to make it bigger, longer if you want to.
See the hoses in the ground. That's there. And I don't know, I'm kind of thinking we should get this stuck in a tree or something. Shoot it. It's almost kinda not really like a squirrel. Okay, we're squirrel hunting. You see the limb bouncing, right? And whenever you see something that looks almost like this, you gotta do that, shoot it. I'm just kidding, don't. Make sure what you shoot is what you're aiming for.
Yeah.
And don't just shoot up there. You know what I mean?
Unless you got bird shot or you know that.
Unless you got something that
Oh,
you know.
For a second.
Huh?
I thought there was a one for a second.
I kind of thought it was another, you know. Let's see. Squirrel.
Alright, ready? I think I'm gonna take the foot off. The question mark foot. Make sure it's good on video. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, recording.
I don't even know what I was doing. I just shot at the foot and took off after that.
I'm not sure if the foot was it was foot.
What, it wasn't?
No, I don't think it was.
There ain't no way. Yeah, it was.
Back up.
No, about a couple pellets. Oh hell, come on.
And plus, you gotta remember, we've got this thing on there.
Yeah.
It's gonna put a scope on there.
But the scope didn't come because I think somebody started out of the mailbox.
You gotta aim like a foot lower.
Living in crackhead country. It's a little bang. You do alright. Alright, dude, buddy. You got the Furby?
Huh?
You wanna shoot the Furby? Furby time. Let's go over here. Oh, this is just a second. Yo! Yep!
Where's that at?
Furby. No! You don't know who they are, don't talk to strangers.
I don't know who you are. I don't think it was down there, but I'm not finished yet.
Who hollered? Nobody around me. This is the cop, which goddamn, I swear to God, cops get caught again. Swear to God, if them fucking cops get caught again. Alright, good.
I'm just gonna put one in it. Or two.
Just load it up then.
So I can just fit that.
No, no, right. We gotta finish the whole box. Cause I said it in the video. Nah, don't do that.
I need a mirror.
Oh, I wouldn't do that.
I'm like,
Wow.
just gonna look at it.
Alright.
He did it.
Furby.
Let me get where I know where to hit the tree.
Hold on.
You ready?
Alex. Yeah, go. Did you hit it?
I mean, it's not further in the door.
I mean, did it go roll down the hill?
Mm-mm.
Oh, it's further in the door?
I can hit it.
Alright, let me shoot it. Yeah.
I'll hit it. And kids, don't put your fingers and stuff that's hurt.
Yeah, definitely not. Here. Let me shoot it. Oh, that works.
Oh, I'll put it back in there.
Alright.
I just want to look in it. Yeah, have this.
Been looking in it.
1 second.
Okay.
Did it have a nose in it?
Yeah, it had a yellow nose. His nose is gone. Put it like right here. Or in that one.
In the middle.
Yeah, put it in that little one. You know, it's funny. In all my party days, I don't know 90% of these people. Well, no, I know a couple. I know my fiance there. I know my mom's friend, which is there. That's about it. That's all I know. That works. I'm shooting it blank, point blank. Yeah. They're showing it.
Yeah, but it's on safety. Hang on.
Bye bye, little Furby, buddy. Bye bye. Ooh, safety. Fucking safety!
We're missing a Furby.
I don't know if I want to go down here and get that or not. What's that? Just zoom in on the camera. It's the side up right there. Yeah. Yeah, do you see it now?
It's that. Let's see. Right there. See the spot where it looks like I'm tickling it? Right there. That little brown dot. Got you. I don't know.
We almost out of shit one, right?
Car coming.
Alright, there the book's got the rest. One, two, 4 good.
Yeah.
I'm going back a little further too.
Wait, what about the car?
You can see it. That's just the door.
Boom, boom.
Alright, ready?
Hang on.
No, I'm just...
I'll stand it up. Somewhere.
You got the door in? Zoom in on it a little bit if it's got the door in. There we go. Come up here.
Oh,
Fire in the hole, boys.
honestly think you made it through every single one. No? Yeah, probably. It looks like all of them went through the same one.
That'd be pretty cool.
It would be.
Here you go. There's the camera.
Just zoomed all in.
Yeah. Let's check out the damage, see what kind of stuff we could do with the shotgun and a wooden mower. They don't look like anything's happened to the door. But, you know, they always say the X is a lot better. Oh yeah. Yeah, just so you know, we ain't lying. It's that everyone's gone, everyone's in the gun. There should be 4.
That's it.
Kazam! Y'all should see that little red light off of my camera. But look at the freaking exit, dude. The exits are always so much better. Always. Alright, so
You can see them with pepper hose on it.
yeah, dude, they're everywhere. I don't think they can see them on camera. Yeah, they can. There they are. Y'all see all that? There's the car. There's an empty box of cells.
2 on that and 2 on the door. But there's a twist.
What's the twist? Up close? Fire in the hole. Well, yeah, fire in the hole. They want the car. Now,
The windshield that up.
the car is, okay, now finish the door. Or shoot someone on the door.
Take out the question mark. What was it, dude?
Yeah, you got 1 more power.
Always remember, like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell.
That's good. Let's check out the lethal damage.
It's still drivable.
Oh yeah, totally easy. You just buff out. You just make those dents out with a hammer.
It'll buff out.
Yeah. 1 pellet. Little bug.
The driver's side window.
You know you're shooting a shotgun, right? And you got 1 pellet. That's okay. You got a freebie because the scope thing mount.
The whole driver's side.
I'd hate to be driving that damn thing.
That's why you don't put it in drive and jerk it in reverse real quick. Blow the back end and the transmission out. You understand if you knew anything about cars. I guess I do.
That's been a little Block of Doodlebug video. Alright, make sure y'all first time viewers like and subscribe. Like Doodlebug said, always like and subscribe and turn the bell on. But this is the end of this video. Give us a thumbs up if y'all like this video. Please like and subscribe. All y'all first time viewers, subscribe, like. Block A out.
Doodlebug. And I remember my turn with the salt shell. It's still happening.
Yeah.
They told me not to, but they also told me not to do a lot of things. And guess what? Still doing it.
Y'all heard that by God, Geeky. Y'all like and subscribe.
Hang on 1 second.
We'll see y'all next time. Wait, everybody's got something else.
I'm going to do one more thing. If you got a door and you ain't punched not 1 hole in it, you got to at least get 1. Or at least try your best. Hopefully I don't hit that thing that's right there. It's gonna pierce straight in my head. I don't know who that really is, but first name's my ex's name. I think. Whatever.
You think. Like, subscribe, like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and Dirty Bug, hit
I'm
it.
probably just gonna knock it over.
Hit us away. There you go. Kick it. Hey, y'all like and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.